Hey everyone, Chip Ashore Vlogs here. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be unboxing my brand new Brilliance of the Seas model. Of course, I got this on my most recent cruise out of Boston on the Brilliance of the Seas. It was a great cruise and I loved the ship. It was a little small, but you know. But let's go ahead and unbox this model. So be sure to like and subscribe and let's get into this. Here is our Brilliance of the Seas cruise ship model. This is actually the smallest model I've ever gotten on a cruise ship. So here is the helipad on the bow. The bow was actually a public area, so because Utopia was not a public area on the bow, that was crew only. Then over here you got the Brilliance of the Seas logo, and as you pan this way you got the adult only area right here, the pool deck, the funnel. I believe this area where the window is StarQuest. I'm not completely sure. Then on the back of the funnel here, you have where the rock climbing wall would be. You have the sports court and the kids area. And then you have where the golf course would be. There's some extra dining near Windjammer. And on the back you have where the aft rooms and the Colony Club, I believe, would be. And as you pan over this way, you got the lifeboat deck, one of the windows for the elevators. Yeah, Brilliance is a very small ship, but it allows her to get to more exotic ports, which is why Canada, New England serves her very well. I enjoyed being on this thing. Let me actually show you where our room would have been. So I'm zooming in here, one of the second on the bump out, I believe on the second highest deck would have been where our room was. We were room 8102. It was a great room. We had an extended balcony because we were on the bump out, and I did enjoy the room. So yeah, this is our Brilliance of the Seas cruise ship model. Let's go put it with our others. My room is a little messy, I do apologize, but I moved my cruise ship models to where my TV is. So we have Mariner, Utopia, Wish, and Fantasy. So we have just enough space to put the Brilliance of the Seas right here, facing Utopia. Look at that. It's pretty cool. That's gonna wrap it up for this unboxing video. If you enjoyed, be sure to like and subscribe, and check out our TikTok and follow us over there, because it helps support me and the channel so I can bring you new content just like this in the future. So, once again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.